So I've recently been here, literally 2 weeks ago I done a video, so I am kind of hoping the owl gonna land where the buzzard landed and up here will make for exceptionally good images. I can actually hear a buzzard. There's an LED light up here, I see one, there's one up here, and there's one in front of me, so it should be more than sufficient light to light up the owl for me. I just hope he comes in. I'm going to go back inside because I don't want to be scaring off anything and them not coming around in. So good evening folks, and welcome to Irish Photography Hides. Tonight hopefully I'm doing the barn owl. I've arrived just a little bit early just to give me a chance to set up in that. I don't know what time this owl is going to come in, whether I could be very successful earlier here for the night. I'm well layered up. It's -2 degrees at the moment, so very cold. I'm going to be shooting at like 100 of a second, just to keep my ISO low. I won't be using flash, it'll be just the LED lights that are outside, so hopefully my images will come out clear. If not, and I get to see the barn owl, I can honestly say I really don't care. It's like something I've always wanted to see, so my images will only be secondary to seeing him with my eyes, if that makes sense. Before I go on, I'm just going to show you, I'm going to put my camera in silent mode. The barn owl has very sensitive hearing. They use it for actually hunting. They can hear their prey before they see it. So I'm going to put my camera on silent mode. I'll just show you how to do it. Actually, it's pretty simple. Well, on the Z cameras, and I think that the 850 does it. Not sure about most of the rest, but you can try it. So basically, just go into menu, go up into camera, and it's the very bottom one, silent photography, and make sure it's on. And that's it then. You're clicking in silent, so hopefully I can keep quiet tonight. I'll be excited when I see the owl, I won't tell a lie. All my images tonight are shot at a shutter count of 100. My ISO is capped at 6400 and my lens goes between 5.6 and 6.3. So all my settings are going to be very similar. If you go above the 100, you'll find that there's a line coming into your screen. I'll just show you there an example of it. I would assume if you use the flash, you'd probably get the tips of the wings and things like that sharper, but it's true personal choice. I don't want to use a flash with the owls, so the LED lights are more than enough for me. "25 to 10, the owl finally comes in, and the feckin' point Marten comes running in behind him and scared him. That 4 or 5 shots up, I won't even know till I get home. Well, they're good. I wear glasses, but I have the wrong glasses with me. I'll just show you on the back of the camera there. Yeah. I don't know if you can see that, but it looks good. So I'm not going to rush home for a while. I'm after shooing off the Pine Marten, being honest. So I'm hoping that the owl will come back in. It didn't get any of the food that was there, so hopefully it will. The Pine Marten was trying to jump across it, so I just gave the hide a bit of a kick just to scare him off. So guys, I'm packing up to head home. Thanks for watching. The barn owl has been something that I have always wanted to do. It's been on my bucket list since I took up photography, and honest to God, I'm not just saying it, I am like a child at Christmas. This was one of the best nights I have ever done of photography. It's actually the first wildlife night I've ever done. So it was absolutely amazing. I've done light trails and things like that with my camera club, but this is by far the best thing that I have ever done so far to date. I was blown away by it. I would think it's a female owl. She's very big. It's very big. I know the male is slightly smaller than the females, but that was a fine size. I think, you know, we should do a lot more for the barn owl. I definitely know that they're listed red, that there's a massive decline in them. You know, they should be publicised more. I think farmers should do a lot more, putting up nest boxes and things like that to try and encourage them breeding. And to be fair, I believe to kill a couple of hundred rats a year, so you know, it'll work and benefit both of you. They'll get a free home and you'll be rat free. That's it really. Like and subscribe. If I think of anything that I left out, I'll throw a voiceover on the video. But again, thanks for watching. I'm thrilled with myself. Can't wait to get home and get on the computer. And I'll see you again. Thanks for watching. Bye.